Gabby from Gabby's Room and welcome to my video. So I have just had a really long and hard working week this week, which is good because I was looking for work for ages and I didn't have a job, and now I kind of still don't, but I am doing some freelance work, which is fun. I also have put a sheet over my clothes because I have a rail and I keep seeing moths and I do not want my things to get eaten. I might even do a room tour for this video. I've got this painting which is new. That is the snake painting. I might repaint it, but I like it. This poster which I decided to buy this poster because it had all these places on it, because I could see all the places that I'd been to, the places that I hadn't been to, and it's also got this timeline all around the edge. I've got this shelf thing, so I will show you what I have on here. I've got this really cute coin purse. I haven't used it yet because I still have another coin purse which I'm using, although it is on its last legs. And this was gifted to me by some friends and I absolutely love it. I have an old camera which barely works, and I bought a new one which works better, but I'm still kind of trying to figure out how to use it. I also have some swimming goggles because you always need those. And then we have this thing, which I made the other day. Then I had this, which is from Peru. My friend got it for me, and I love it. Just a cute, jumpy, tiny frog, and it is really satisfying to touch because it is so smooth. This is kind of my jewellery corner. You can see it's super messy. I've also got hairbands, and there's a lot going on here. I have this tin, which I love. I love this tin. I actually don't know what's in there at the moment. Oh, it's a lighter and screws. Nice. And then this was a gift from my boyfriend, and it was an angel from Bali. And then below I have a selection of books and notepads. Then I have some more postcards that I need to send. This is just got some fairy lights and more of that orange gel stuff, so it looks pretty. Up here I have my banana milk bag. I absolutely love this. I do find it quite hard to style because it is so crazy looking and it's very bright and yellow, but I do love it. And then we have this train thing which I've had forever. I have these paper makers, this thing which is like the holy grail thing of my childhood, a crown and a fun basket whenever I get invited to a ball. Then I have this was another thing from GCSE, and then this was a birthday card, and then these are just some more fun postcards, and also this one which I framed because I thought it was pretty, although you can just see my reflection at the moment. I also have this map of London, which I actually use quite a lot. This has been helpful to plan a route or to just kind of see the bigger picture of where things are. Next I have this thing which is gorgeous and it's just really fun. My friend made it for my birthday. I have a bunch of scrunchies and also this USB stick which is really fun. Some chains which are there to just, you know, jazz up an outfit if ever I need, and then the embroidery. So over here I have my clothes, and like I said before, it's under a sheet and it looks kind of weird at the moment. It's on this rail, and then I have like shorts and things that I can't hang up on there, and then socks and underwear in there, and then I have this box for like a couple of costume things, although it's quite empty at the moment because I've been selling stuff on Depop. I also have a bunch of stuff here because this is where I usually sit to do my makeup and my hair, but I don't have very much makeup. As you can see, this is all of my makeup, so yeah, it doesn't take me very long. Then next to it I found this thing, so I just kind of put bits and things on it that I found around my room. At the moment it mostly has loads of pegs and old business cards, but then these are good, so then I always like grab one and then pop it into one of these when I'm above the mirror. I have this canvas which I found on the street with my friend, and I didn't want to carry it home, but my friend convinced me to, because I mean, and I'm so glad I did. I next have some more fun postcards, and these are all empty. I always just kind of grab one if I feel like that would suit someone that I'm. Over here we have some art that my boyfriend got me. This is the first piece of like artwork that I've probably ever been bought, or that my boyfriend's bought me. So this is really cool. Then up here I have Frida and a drawing from my old sketchbook. In here I have a few more fun face things like glitter, and then in these things I have loads of random stuff like, can't even see, oh, essential oils, more business cards and business cards that I have collected. I have quite a lot. And then in there I have small zines, pens, and a bunch of other stuff like sun cream and things that I don't really use that are also kind of considered toiletries. Then I have some books that I have kept, lots of zines, including my personal fave. And then we have the animation setup, so this is where I work. Then on this side of the desk I'll have my tea and loads of random things that I'll kind of grab and use. And so yeah, that is my room tour. Oh yeah, I have this fun light which is nice, and it's purple and it's dangly and it's pretty. I didn't think I'd be filming a room tour today, but there we go. Also, I have not tidied my room. If not, I would make things like that look a bit neater, and I probably would have moved that. But I think this has been good to consistently make a video, get something out there, actually speak, or at least pretend to speak to someone, because I spend a lot of my time working alone. That sounds really sad. I might cut that out. It's fun to make videos and to keep consistent and just to put things out there. Thanks for watching my room tour. Hope you had a nice time getting to know me. This is probably like really not in depth, but oh well, I might do another one. Have a lovely week, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.